For a couple of upcoming projects, USCP sent out some accessories to be used. This is one of them, so let's jump into the box and into a bit more detail. So the kit of course comes with some stock wheels, and since those are not M3 wheels, I'm not going to be using them as I'm building an M3. I personally really love the style of wheels that USCP makes, so I decided on these. You can get this with or without tires. I just always decide to get them with tires so that I don't have any fitment problems or issues. And of course the wheels themselves, there's 4 wheels and even some adapters to add them to the kit itself without too many adjustments. You get 4 identical tires with some extremely nice detail in the sidewall. It even has the branding on both sides. It needs a little bit of cleanup from the flash, but not too much, and it also has some nice profile to it. It's a pretty rigid tire, so it doesn't really stretch all that much, but it does have a nice fit around the wheel. So, same as the tire, you also get 4 wheels, and the wheels have some details captured into them as well. You can even see the BMW logo and the Motorsport logo as well, if the camera will focus. And it has a generally nice shape. The inside is flat, so you can just glue the additional pieces for mounting them onto the wheels really easily. So like I said, as I like to order the tires with the wheels, it fits perfectly in one go. It does have a bit of a thick sidewall, but that is period correct, and if I end up not liking the tire and wheel combination, I might change them, but I'll probably stick to it as it will complete the entire package with the M Sport styling.